Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the ECOMI or the Omi token on your Metamask. So your first step is to log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. And you simply scroll down till you get to the About section, which houses its Ethereum address. And so you simply click on this copy here, minimize your browser, open up your Metamask. And with your Metamask opened up, all you need to do is simply click on the Add Custom Token, which is at the bottom of the screen. It stands for Import Token. Click on Import Token. Click on Custom Tokens. Paste the contract address we just copied. Make sure you have Ethereum on your wallet. The symbol is Omi, and the decimal is 18. Click on Import, and once you've clicked on Import, the Omi token is then added to your wallet. Your next step now is to head over to the browser section. Once at the browser section, we have the Uniswap. So make sure your wallet is connected. Click on the wallet icon. And from there, simply in the place of Elon, paste the contract address for Omi. So OMI, Omi. That's this ECOMI. Click on this. Click on continue, and for $9.43 worth of Ethereum, we're going to be paying $3.62 for gas fees, and 15,000 of the Omi is going to be given to us. So now, in order to avoid high gas fees such as this, you could then simply minimize and open up an exchange, a centralized exchange known as OKX. They deal on cryptocurrency trading, selling and buying of crypto as well. By simply using our link, which is in the video description below, all you need to do is simply register, and you're going to stand a chance to win $10,000 worth of welcome bonuses and gifts alongside other perks, whilst depositing $50 or more and getting your account to a verified level of 2, which involves KYC and such. And once you're here, make sure you've deposited cryptocurrency, like any form of cryptocurrency you have or could possess. Make sure you've deposited it. Click on this icon at the top left, click on convert. Once you've clicked on convert, make sure you have cryptocurrencies to convert. So from BTC to Ethereum. In the place of Ethereum, we're going to be searching for Omi. Click on this Omi now, and in the place of Bitcoin, click on USDT. So $9.46 is giving us 15,000 of the Omi. You simply click on convert, and your next step would be to simply head over to the assets menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on the assets menu, and you're taken directly to overview, which you then scroll to funding. Click on withdraw, and you simply search for Omi. Omi. Click on ECOMI. Click on on-chain, and in this address here, you're going to be pasting your Ethereum address, which you're going to be getting from your MetaMask. So you simply paste your Ethereum address here, select the network, which is ERC20, which also stands for Ethereum, enter the amount, which is 56,000 of the Omi, then enter your address, and then you simply click submit. And with that, the Ethereum would then be directly deposited on your MetaMask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy the Omi token on MetaMask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.